all-new Mercedes-Maybach SL650 has officially launched, featuring a powerful engine and luxurious design elements that align with the brand's high standards. While specific details about the SL650 are not mentioned in the snippets, the Maybach SL680 Monogram Series, which is noted for its sporty characteristics, is powered by a 4.0-liter biturbo V8 engine delivering 577 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Expect similar performance and luxury from the SL650.